Jai Hind children. In the previous class, we had discussed about the structure of nucleus and its functions, right? Then today we are going to discuss about another basic component of the cell, that is cytoplasm. So which are the basic components of the cell? That is plasma membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. So we had completed the plasma membrane and nucleus in the previous classes. Now, what is cytoplasm? The cytoplasm is the fluid content present inside the cell, and this cytoplasm contain many small structures, and these are called cell organelles. Then what do you mean by cell organelles? These are membrane bound little structures present in the cytoplasm. For example, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, Golgi apparatus, then plastids, mitochondria, vacuole, etc. These all are membrane bound little structures present in the cytoplasm, and each of the cell organelles has a particular function for the cell. The first one is endoplasmic reticulum. It's a large network of tubes and sheets, and it looks like long tubules or oblong vesicles or bag-like structure, and its structure is also similar to that of the plasma membrane. You know that plasma membrane, it's made up of lipids and proteins. Similar to that, the endoplasmic reticulum also. Then, based on the presence or absence of ribosomes, this endoplasmic reticulum is divided into two. They are smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. You know what is ribosomes? These are protein synthesizing machinery of the cell. Ribosomes are the protein synthesizing machinery of the cells. In some endoplasmic reticulum, the surface is covered with this ribosome. Then the surface becomes very rough because of the presence of these ribosomes. Such endoplasmic reticulum is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum or RER. But in some other cases, the endoplasmic reticulum surface is not covered with the ribosomes. There is the absence of ribosomes on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. Then the surface is very smooth. So it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next is the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. There are various functions are there. The first one is it helps in the transport of materials within the cell. Help in the transport of materials within the cells. Then another function is it acts as a cytoplasmic framework in order to provide surface area to perform various metabolic activities. It acts as a cytoplasmic framework for that purpose to provide a surface area for various metabolic activities. Then RER provides seat for these ribosomes for the production of proteins. And the function of SER helps the synthesis of fat or lipids. These fat or lipids along with the proteins help the synthesis of plasma membrane or cell membrane. This process of membrane formation is known as membrane biogenesis. In liver cells of the animals called vertebrates, this SER plays a crucial role. That is, it helps in the detoxification of drugs and poisons. Next cell organelle is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is a complex tubules and vesicles. It's first described by a scientist named Camillo Golgi, and it consists of a system of membrane bound structures, especially vesicles, that arranged approximately parallel to each other in stalks, and that is known as cisterns. The membranes of this Golgi apparatus have often connections with the membranes of endoplasmic reticulum. Thus it form a the part of a complex membranous system. Next is, what are the functions of this Golgi apparatus? The first function is storage and packing. The material synthesized near the endoplasmic reticulum is packaged and dispatched to various targets inside and outside the cell through the Golgi apparatus. Then another function is, it helps the storage, modification and package of various products in vesicles. Then different complex sugars are formed with the help of simple sugars with the help of this Golgi apparatus. Then it also involves the formation of another cell organelle called lysosome. These are the various functions of Golgi apparatus. Next is another cell organelle called lysosome. These are membrane-bound sacs filled with digestive enzymes. These digestive enzymes are formed with the help of rough endoplasmic reticulum. It's a kind of waste disposal system in the cell. Then what are the functions of lysosome? It keeps the cell clean by digesting foreign materials, worn out cells, old cell organelles. The process of digesting the solid material is called phagocytosis, and the process of digesting liquid materials are called pinocytosis. Sometimes during disturbances in cellular metabolism, this lysosome may burst and the digestive enzymes digest the whole cell itself. So that these lysosomes are also known as suicidal bags of the cell. These are the functions of lysosome. So in this video, we had discussed about the cell organelles such as endoplasmic reticulum, types of endoplasmic reticulum, then Golgi apparatus and its functions, then about lysosome and its function, and these cell organelles are present where? In the cytoplasm. So that's all for today's class. Jai Hind and thank you.